Hey guys, welcome back to our channel How to Use Basics. In this tutorial, I'm gonna guide you through how to add multiple characters in Character.AI. Open a Character.AI in a device. After opening a Character.AI, you can see this interface if you have logged into a Character.AI application. In this interface, you can see Create option in the middle of Chat and Explore. Tap to Create option. After tapping a Create option, you can see Character, Group Chat, Personal, Voice. Tap to Character. In this step, you have to enter a character name and click into Next. In next step, you have to describe your character looks, how it looks like, or it can auto-regenerate, and enter Next. In third step, you have to enter a character greeting, or you can regenerate itself and enter Next. And in this interface, you can share the character public, unlisted, and private. And after this, click into next. Later on, tapping on next, you can see select voice, image generation, add subtitle, add description, and add character. You can skip this part and directly click into create. After tapping on create, you have created a character in Character.AI, and this how can you create a multiple character in Character.AI. If you found this video informative, make sure to subscribe our YouTube channel and hit the notification bell and follow us for more popular contents. Thank you for watching us till the end.